channel. So today we're going to be doing this makeup look. This is a very pretty purple and a very dreamy sort of a makeup look. So yeah, if you would be interested, please keep on watching. So for the primer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. If you haven't tried Smashbox primers, you should, because they are really good. I'm just going to massage it into my face. So next I'm going to be using a foundation, and for foundation I'm going to be trying out the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm in the shade 312 Golden, and this is the first time that I'm going to be using this foundation, so let's see how that fares. So I'm going to be using the PAC Beauty Blender, and just going to be taking it on the Beauty Blender and start blending it. I'm so sure I've taken a lot of foundation. I'm just going to make sure that I pat it down really well and don't leave any, spots. Beauty Blender is just doing a great job, and also the foundation is working really well. It's giving pretty good coverage so far. So for the concealer, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. So I just like to apply it very little bit. I don't like to go overboard with the concealer. Apply concealer here as well. Whatever is left on the tube, I'm just going to put it on my eyelids and a little bit here. We will do the eyebrow later on, but just a little bit. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit concealer here near my mouth. And that's about it. Using the PAC 272, that is the concealer brush, and I'm going to start blending this. So I'm just patting it in, not dragging it. Make sure you never drag your brush when you are, at least near your eye area. So I'm just stamping it here in the inner corner because it has this slant sort of shape. I am able to do that easily. I'll just do the other eye as well. Now to set my face, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is in the shade 25 Medium, and I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my PAC 231 brush. Now we would be moving on towards the contouring part. I should have done this before, but it just slipped out of my mind that today I'm going to be using a cream contour, because usually I do use a powder contour, so it just slipped out of my mind. But let's do that anyway. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty's Tantour, and I'm going to be using this in the shade Medium, and I'm going to be taking a little bit of this on the brush, and let's see how this goes. Now always make sure when you're applying the contour, you always do it a little higher up than where it's supposed to be. That's what I do, at least, because it gives a more chisel look to your face. So this is where my cheekbone is supposed to be, but I'm just going to stamp it up here, and I'm going to do that for the same thing on the other side. Just on the temples, just brushing it so that my forehead looks a little bit smaller, and just going to drag it on my jawline just to make it look a little sharper, and just dragging it down like so, with whatever is left on the brush. Now we'll start blending this out. So just make sure your strokes are upwards and backwards into the hairline. For the nose contour, I don't use any sort of tools. I am just going to use my little finger and take a little bit of the contour powder, and I'm just going to place it very carefully on my nose. So on the sides of my nose, I'm just going to place it, and I'm going to just connect it to my brow, like so. I'm going to go with a very light hand and brush this off, as you see. And you see, you have a chiseled nose. Now we'll go ahead and do the blush. So for the blush, I'm actually using a lipstick. This is the Nykaa's Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick, and this is in the shade Dream On. This is a very pretty nude color, and I really like the color. The nude pinkish color, and this is what I'm going to use on my cheeks today. So I'm just going to, take a little bit of that, and a little goes a long way, trust me with this. I just don't want to go overboard, so that's all that I'm going to use. And now I'm just going to blend it out with my fingers. So just going to, with tapping motion, I'm just going to make sure that I blend it out with the contour. So for the eyeshadow today, we're going to be using the Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde palette. I really love this palette, and I don't know, it's very close to my heart. So today we are going to be going in for a more purple sort of a look, because I want to match my top. So this is from the Pack Eye series, and this is from the eye brushes set. I'm just going to use this random it's not a random, but it doesn't have no number. So this is just a very fluffy and curved edge sort of a brush. I don't know how to describe it. So now we're going to be going for a purple look. So I'm going to be using this shade right here. So I'm just going to take and swirl my brush in this, and then just tap off the excess. There's not a lot of kickback in this palette as well. And just put it on my crease like so. Just going to pat it first of all. Just pat it really well. And so again, taking this and placing it on my crease. Basically, just first place it. We'll do the blending later. As you see, it's supremely pigmented. I don't need to, go in on multiple times. Hold the brush towards the end so that you go in with a really light hand, and take any fluffy brush that you have. So this is really fluffy. You can take any brush and just, start blending the eyeshadow with a really light hand. You don't need to be harsh with this. So what you need to do is, with such, motions like windshield wiper motions, you just have to slowly move upwards. Like ये जो crease होता है ना, यहाँ पे your eye का socket रहता है, just above that you have to take the color above that and start blending, so that it looks a little bit more blended and it doesn't look harsh. So that's what you really need to do. So as you see, this blended out really well. I'm just going to blend the other eye out as well. You see the difference between this and this eye. This is a blended eyeshadow look, and this is how it looks. So it's very important to blend your eyeshadows. So I'm just going to quickly blend this out as well. So the shade that I used is called Libra, and now I'm going to use another shade, that is this one, and that's called Crash. I'm going to actually use it to buff out the edges of this color. So just going to take a little bit on the buffing brush, because I'm not going to place it, I just want to buff the color out, blending it. So again, going with the same color and doing the same thing on the other eye. Any brush that has, even if it is longer than this, if it is flat and it has a curved edge, you can use that brush to cut your crease. And for that, I'm going to take LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And I'm going to start cutting my crease. So for that, what you need to do is always make sure that you have a brush like this. That is first, very important. And then you need to start placing it first. Just place it, okay? And then start moving it. I always do this. I start by dragging it down, and then slowly I go ahead and, yeah, that's all. just give it the shape and then you can start filling it in, right? So you see how beautifully it has been cut. So you have to go slowly and then that's how you cut your crease. Now I usually allow my concealer to dry and then I go ahead with the other colors. So till then we're going to be doing the lower lash line. So again, for the lower lash line, you can take this brush, whichever brush you have which is dense but a little flat, okay, a little flat. You can take such a brush, going in with the same shades. For the outer half, I'm going in with this, that is Crash, and just going to place it here and join it here. You know, are you able to see? So just take this and place it here and buff it out like this. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. This shade Karma and placing it on the outer V and slowly trying to blend it with this. So I'm going to take this color called Ultraviolet and I'm going to just, this is such a beautiful color. I'm going to just place it here and drag it down. That's how. Just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Use this color called Nebula, which is just right next to the Ultraviolet which I used, and I'm going to take it on my index finger and I'm just going to place it right here. So the last shade that I'm going to use is this Cosmic, okay, and again I'm going to use a very little bit of it and I'm going to do the inner corner. Now I'll just put my lashes on and liner and be back. And also a quick update, it's pretty gloomy outside and it can rain anytime, so we'll get this done really quick. I have not applied any liner, it's only lashes. And now for the lipstick, I am going to go for the same Nykaa's Wonder Puff Cushion lipstick in the shade Dream On, because there's so much going on with the eye that I don't want to you know, have a very bright lipstick. So just going to go in with this.